This is a funny juxtaposition because it's two people with different experience levels working on two different projects. So Marcus, the pastry chef, is trying to figure out fermentation. He's immensely inspired by the Noma's Guide to Fermentation. He spends all this time perfecting this little Metro rack setup, or this little speed rack setup, with the plastic wrap and the duct tape and the jars and the fruit going inside of it and getting the temperature just right. Carmen's asking him all day what's going on with these cakes. And he keeps saying, I trust you. You're going to get these cakes done. And this is, kind of a testament. And unfortunately, it's a look into, if you don't have your priorities straight, if you aren't able to get all of your other stuff done, then pursuing other things that aren't on the menu or are creatively just stimulating for you can sometimes be a detriment, because the customers aren't coming in for your fermentation projects. The customers are coming in for your chocolate cakes. And so Sydney kind of approaches it the opposite way. She kind of makes sure that she gets all of her stuff done, her sous chef responsibilities, and then she works on her risotto stuff. And so that's an interesting dichotomy that's happening in this scene. This is like not total station domination. This is like the opposite. This is you're getting caught up in the chaos and not taking a second to slow down and go smooth, and it's going to bite him in the butt. I can just tell.